So hi guys, it's your girl Angel. Welcome back to my channel. So since Valentine's Day is coming in a few days, I decided to make this look for Valentine's Day, but I don't recommend to you guys na lumabas pa kayo to celebrate Valentine's Day. Pwede naman kayo magstay sa bahay nyo or virtual date, gano'n. Yeah. So, if you wanna know how I made this peachy makeup look for Valentine's Day, just keep on watching! Okay, so to start off my makeup, I'm using this antibacterial face mist from Hans, and super refreshing dito sa face, guys. And for my primer, I'm using this Smooth Blur from CATHYDOLL. Actually, serum to, pero kasi nag-blur out niya yung pores ko and yung mga etchos sa face ko. Plus, maganda kasi yung finish niya. By the way, meron akong review sa mga product ng CATHYDOLL. If interested kayo mapanood, ilalagay ko na lang yung link down in the description box.
You really make me wanna fly. Cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night.
For my foundation, I'm using my Fit Me Matte Poreless from Maybelline, and I'm in the shade 128 Warm Nude. Hindi ko masyadong kakapalan yung foundation ko since yung Valentine's makeup look lang naman to.
You really make me wanna fly. Cross my heart and hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night.
Next, I'm doing my eyebrow, and I'm using this Squad Cosmetic Brow Game Eyebrow Pencil nila.
Hope to die. Lonely, you're the reason why I can feel those butterflies when I go to sleep at night.
Ganun din sa kabila. Okay, so I'm going to use my concealer to clean my eyebrow. So gagamitin ko lang yung small flat brush ko para spread. Okay, so next, to set my eyebrows, I'm using my brow fixer from Strokes Beauty Lab. Clear lang siya. So next, let's move on to my eye makeup. Hindi na ako maglalagay ng primer or concealer sa eye ko kasi ayoko masyadong mag-pop yung color. And for my shadow, guys, I'm using my latest Lay palette from Careline. And gagamitin ko lang sa palette na to is yung light shade, which is the peach one. By the way guys, I got my brushes from Shopee. And for 230 pesos, meron ka ng 13 pieces na makeup brush na super ganda ng quality and super soft ng bristles niya. Plus, meron na siyang kasamang pouch and may freebie siya na sponge. And I highly recommend this to you guys kung medyo nag-start pa lang kayo mag-makeup. Sobrang ganda nung quality na to, promise. Hindi kayo madi-disappoint. So anyway, let's go back to my eye makeup. Commercial no? So ilalagay ko na lang din down in my description box yung makeup, yung link ng makeup brush. So from the same palette, I'm using this orangey na may pagka-brownish na shade. Lalagay ko siya sa outer corner ng aking eyelid. Then, blend ko lang siya.
Those times were hard and all I did was resent you. Oh no, I don't want to go back. Oh, how naive.
And next, I'm using this one. May pagka-shimmer siya. Lalagay ko naman siya sa center ng aking eyelid. And I'm using this brush to blend my eye makeup and para na rin ng harshness.
But you tell me the truth.
Again, from the same palette, gagamitin ko ulit tong peach nila and ilalagay ko siya sa lower lash line ko.
No longer will I look back to the sin I did. Surely your love and your goodness will forever be.
So, lalagay ko lang siya ulit sa aking lower lash line na ditong side lang.
I'm running to where my hope is, where I know I'm free.
Okay, so next, gagamitin ko ulit ng shimmer eyeshadow. So, dito ko na siya. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so for my eyeliner, I'm using my Everbelena Brow Define with Paddle Brush. So, gagawa lang ako ng mini wing eye. Para lang mas mag-natural lang siya tingnan.
Cause no, I don't want to go back. Oh, how naive I was. I'm running to where my hope is, where I know I'm free.
And for my concealer, para naman matakpan yung eye bags natin and yung mga dark spots, I'm using my Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. So for my contour, I'm using my Caroline Contour Stick. So so next, for my blush on, I'm using my Caroline Peach Stick. And i-blend ko lang siya using my finger. So, dab, 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 dab. And to set my makeup, I'm using my Detail Makeover Mineral Loose Powder. Okay, so I'm using my Maybelline Total Temptation Mascara. Highlighter, I'm using this Caroline Strobe Stick. Sobrang ganda lang din ng highlighter. For my lips, I'm using my powder palette from Detail Cosmetic, and I'm in this shade Tony C. And next, I'm using this Peach Strobe from Caroline. So, ang gagawin ko, maglalagay lang ako sa center ng lips ko nito para mag-create tayo ng gradient effect. So, konti lang.
You're the only one that saves me when I'm alone. You're the
I'm using my Ink Airy Velvet 07. So, maglalagay ako ulit sa center naman ng lips ko.
never songs. I should've told you that I loved you. One more time, one more time, one more time. I should've told you that I loved you.
So, last step, gagamitin ko ulit tong face mist para to set my makeup.
I should've told you that I loved you every night. Oh, that's on my mind. I should've told you that I loved you. One more time, one more time.
And that is it for today's video. I hope you like my Valentine's makeup look tutorial. And please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and click the notification button so you get notified every time I post a new video. So again guys, thank you for watching. Bye! See you on my next vlog!